Hey everyone, and welcome back. Welcome. My name is Bubs B and I'm glad you stopped on this channel. So this video is all about using some affordable products. I don't know if you guys like these type of videos, but I love to give you guys a range from affordable to high-end and everything in between on my channel. I do want to thank Sally Beauty for sponsoring this video and giving me an opportunity to showcase the multitude of lines and accessories that they carry. And I think this video is going to be a good one. So let's get started. I'm starting on old hair. It's not too old, okay? So we're doing a restyle, but I'm going to be using some Cantu products. Yes, Cantu is a product line I've used on other people. I haven't really used it on myself. I did when I was relaxed, but I had to revisit it. And I was sent over the full Washington styling products, a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, also a leave-in, a curling cream, styling gels and edge gels. They carry everything in their natural hair collection, so definitely check out Cantu if you haven't already. But like I said, my hair's not too dirty. It's old, but it's okay to restyle. And I'm gonna take this old style, say hi to Ray Ray. Say hi to Ray Ray. Look at my cutie pie. I'm actually gonna take this old hair and just refresh it. Refresh it and do something different. So I first just sprayed my hair with some water using my Mr. Spray bottle. And then I'm gonna take this comb from Wet Brush and comb and detangle the section. My hair is not too tangled at all. I just styled my hair, so it's not too tangled. So that takes no time to do. So I'm gonna go in first, the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Cream, just a tad bit of that. And then I'm going to also add the Coconut Curling Cream. Now the reason why I'm pairing both of them is because they work together well. They don't cause any flaking or excess buildup, so it's perfect. And I want to get the moisture with the leave-in, but I want to get the definition from the curling cream. So I'm going to apply it to the full section, detangle where I see fit, and then two-strand twist. We're doing a simple two-strand twist. A simple two-strand twist. I haven't done a chunky, fluffy twist out in a very long time, but I'm gonna do it a little bit different. We're not gonna do big volume. We're gonna keep the definition. So definitely stay tuned to the end to see how I complete this look. So like I said, I am detangling, applying product, and two-strand twisting my hair. So let's talk a little bit more about the two products I use. So the leave-in conditioning cream repairs hair breakage, it leaves hair soft, and it makes the hair manageable. It's a deep penetrating leave-in conditioning cream. It's made with that pure shea butter, natural oils, and is going to help promote stronger, healthier hair. This line actually doesn't have any mineral oils, sulfates, silicones, paraffins, anything like that. And it does have some great natural ingredients too. Now, the difference between the leave-in conditioner and the curling cream, I find that this isn't as tacky. All right, this is more moisturizing and it doesn't give like a soft, supple hold in my opinion. This is just for moisture. If you need a lot, apply more, but I only used a little bit because I am starting on semi-old hair, so I don't want to get buildup, so I'm only using a dab of it. Now for that coconut curling cream, did I mention that this whole line smells so good? If you don't like coconut tropical scents, then this line won't be for you, but I love the way it smells, okay? I love that this curling cream isn't made with those harsh ingredients. This curling cream defines, it conditions, it adds manageability to your curls. It's still gonna leave your hair soft and shiny and deeply moisturized, but it's gonna give you hold. And that's what I really need when it comes to my curling creams. Besides that shea butter, it also has coconut oil, jojoba oil, it has avocado oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, carrot oil, argan oil, a ton of great and nourishing oils. You can actually use this product on dry or wet hair, whatever your preference is, and it's going to give you the results you want. Now, I did let my hair dry overnight, I believe. My hair feels so soft and supple. If you want to get more hold, let your hair dry for 1 to 2 days. That is best. The longer you let your hair dry and set, the better the definition. As you can see, I'm just unraveling those two-strand twists and I'm getting very fluffy, defined results. My hair feels so soft, smells good, all right, it looks good, and I just love the movement I'm getting. I have some elongation. I'm loving my results so far. So once I unravel those two-strand twists, I'm going to actually fluff the section. Now, I'm not gonna fluff like I usually do by picking it out and separating. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna actually smooth my hair down the section just to separate the curls in that section, but I'm gonna leave the ends intact. Leave the ends curled. Don't run your finger down the whole section. Stop at the ends, and you're gonna see the hair expanding and fluffing up. This is how I used to wear my hair back in the day when I first went natural and I was getting used to my hair and I really wanted to see my curls all the time. I really loved the definition at all times. This is exactly what I did. Now, I said we was gonna do something different. It's not just a plain old twist out. I'm just checking my hair, moving my hair just to see how I feel about actually bringing my hair over to one side. Let's just move it over. All right, let's just move everything to the other side. Let's do something different. So I'm going to use my brushes of choice to help smooth my hair down and ensure that I'm getting more of a polished look. I'm going to actually use those styling gels from Cantu. So the first product is their Mega Hold Styling Stay Glue Gel. I thought that this holding gel was going to be very stiff and hard, but it wasn't. It actually is very tacky and movable. So I'm actually going to apply it on the full section and use the brush to smooth it in. Look at the shine I'm getting. This is a humidity resistant Mega Hold formula. It's perfect for holding the styles in place. After it dries, it will leave a cast, which is great for what I'm trying to do. This is flake free. It's long lasting and it's made still with that shea butter. I love the formula with this. You don't even have to apply water first, okay? Like I said, the formula is more wet, feels like a custard, but it gives that great hold and the shine, of course. So now I'm just going to add some super large bobby pins to hold my hair to one side, and I apply this haphazardly because I really want it to stay. So apply as many as needed. Alright, one side is done. I am going to pick and fluff my hair, of course, just to get a tad bit of volume in the root. So after I do that, I am going to use the Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. And the reason why I'm using this on top of that Stay Glue Gel, because I really want my edges to be perfect and sleeked and smooth. And using this gives a great hold as well. This has cocoa butter, jojoba oil, shea butter, castor oil, and it does contain those amino acids, which is great at penetrating the hair cuticle to keep the hair moisturized longer, even in humidity. This is a flake-free and long-lasting formula. So I'm using this in my edge brush to smooth any flyaways. And once I am satisfied with everything, this is the finished look. What do you all think of this hair tutorial, this hairstyle? Let me know what you want to see from me. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, liking, commenting. I do truly appreciate it. I want to thank Sally Beauty once again for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one.